Today's featured car of the day is a 1957 Imperial Crown Southampton. And this one, I'll read from the seller's notes at the auction. And he said, beautiful 1957 Imperial was awarded AACA First Junior Award at the Western Regional Meet Fallbrook, California, November 2019. And then this 1957 Imperial Crown Southampton, two-door hardtop, total quantity built is 4,199. This is a 69,000-mile car. Has a 392 Hemi with 325 horsepower, torque flight automatic transmission, first compound curve windshield in a regular production car, first Imperial with curved slide glass, first torsion air ride, trades front springs for torsion bar suspension, power antenna, brakes, seats, windows. This Imperial has undergone a recently completed extensive frame-off restoration, and it sold for $37,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a nice car, that's for sure. And these aren't cheap to restore, not with all that chrome and everything. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1957 Imperial Crown Southampton, AACA award winner with the 392 Hemi with 69,000 miles and one of 4,199 built in 1957. And it sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $37,000. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.